All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter Convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar has thanked the Organization of Islamic Cooperation for reiterating its support to the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. He said the Kashmiri people are grateful to the OIC for exposing Indian atrocities in occupied Kashmir and highlighting the importance of the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. Political experts and analysts have said that the people in the territory continue to live in dire situation created by more than 1 million Indian troops. Political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said India has turned the occupied Kashmir into a big open-air prison where all basic rights of the people have been snatched. A special court of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has framed charges against two Kashmiri journalists Fahad Shah and Abdul Ala Fazli in connection with the fake case of sedition. Special Judge of NIA Court Jammu, Ashwini Kumar, framed the charges against the two journalists in the sedition case registered against them by the New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency last year. New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency launched raids and searches at the houses of prominent leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and religious scholar Maulana Sarjan Barkati and other pro-freedom people at several places in the Kashmir Valley. The SIA sleuths along with Indian Central Reserve Police Force and police personnel barged into several houses, including the residence of Maulana Sarjan Barkati, Muhammad Shafi Wage, Muhammad Hanif Butt and Abdul Hamid Lone in Shopian, Kulgam, Islamabad, Srinagar and other areas. Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in South Kashmir's Pulwama district today. The troops cordoned off the area of the district during pre-dawn hours and launched searches. The troops sealed all entry and exit points of the area. The operation was going on till last reports came in. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that the present BJP-installed regime in territory is not for the people but to appease the Indian Prime Minister's office. According to Kashmir Media Service, commenting on the arrest of a conman from the Indian state of Gujarat in Srinagar, Umar Abdullah, addressing a gathering in Kulgam, said, "It is the worthlessness of the present Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's regime that was busy in appeasing the fake conman from the Indian state of Gujarat." Two residential houses were damaged in a nocturnal fire incident in central Kashmir's Budgam district. An official said that during night hours the fire broke out due to electric short circuit in two residential double-storied houses of Ali Muhammad Kalu and Mushtaq Ahmed Handru in Narbal area of the district. At least 4 persons were killed and 28 others injured in a road accident in South Kashmir's Pulwama district today. The official said that a bus turned turtle on highway in Avantipura area of the district, in which several passengers received injuries. Khalistan sympathizer and Waris Punjab the chief Amritpal Singh was arrested by the Indian Punjab police after a tense high-speed chase involving around 100 police cars in village near Amritsar. Following the incident, Punjab Home Secretary had announced that internet services in the state would be snapped till tomorrow. Heavy police deployment was seen in the Moga district of the Punjab.